Hi students, how are you? Here is an interesting question. The major product formed in the following reaction sequence. This is a bridged compound which has a keto group which is treated with CH3COOH and lithium aluminum hydride. Actually, this reaction is a oxidation reaction. This is termed as Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. In this reaction, a ketone is treated with par acid, and an ester will be formed. There is, if R and R prime are different, then two possibilities are there. This will also form. If we see the reaction mechanism, this will take one proton, it will convert an oxonium ion, now it will attack to this, now there occur an rearrangement. The R prime group migrates in this oxygen, and this bond breaks. So the product will be an ester plus CH3COOH. So students, you can see that this one of these alkyl group migrates to the oxygen, and this way the oxidation occur, that is an ester is formed. So here is one doubt. Here there may be one doubt, which group will migrate? If two different groups are there, which group will migrate? So for this there is a rule. The migrating ability of tertiary group is greater than secondary alkyl group, and which is greater than primary alkyl group. Tertiary alkyl group has migrating ability greater than secondary alkyl, which has migrating ability greater than primary alkyl. Now here we can see in this reaction that with this ketone there is this is 1 degree, whereas this is 3 degree. So the migrating ability of this group will be higher than this, and which has higher migrating ability, the oxygen will be attached with that carbon. So the product will be what will be the product? Here will be one oxygen, double bonded methyl. This will be the product. So if it is now treated with lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4, then this bond will break and it will convert an OH, and it will convert CH2OH. So 5-member ring will be there. this 5-member ring will be there, and the OH and CH2 OH group will be in same side, that is in lower downward direction. CH2 OH, the methyl group is above. So this will be the product. Here is another example of this Bayer vinegar oxidation. Same type of reaction will happen here. This is a camphor derivative. Here two methyl groups are there, but the previous compound there are no methyl group here. So what will be the product? We know that the migrating ability of secondary alkyl group is higher than primary alkyl group. So as this carbon is 2 degree, so it should have higher migrating ability than this group. So oxygen should be here. So the product should be product should be this, but actually this is not formed. The product formed will be the product. Here this group migrates. Due to steric reason, there is 2 methyl group at bridged position. Due to steric reason, here the migrating ability of this group, the migration of this group will occur and this product will be formed. If it is treated with lithium aluminum hydride, then this bond will break. Five-member ring will be there, 2 methyl group. Here CH2OH, and methyl group above the plane. So this will be the product. These reactions are very important reaction in most of the competitive exam like NET, GATE. You can see this type of question. So if you have any doubt regarding this question, please let me know in comment box, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.